Here is how to find cheap residential land and plots in Uganda. First, you need to install any of the best local real estate apps. To do that, go to the Play Store and search for real estate in Uganda. Then, select one of the top options, or the best option from the search results. In this case, you will click on the Real Estate Database option. Then you will need to click on the Install button. This will install the Red app on your phone. After the installation is complete, click on Open to open the Red app. Once the Red app has loaded, select a property category. In this example we are going to use for sale. Select a property usage. In this example we are going to use residential. Select the property type. For this example, we are going to choose residential land. Then, select any location of your choice. In this case we shall select Bulendo, which is in Wakiso district. Then, click the search button and you will get lots of results for Bulendo. All search results will be arranged in order of price starting with the lowest price to the highest. Arranging property search results in order of price helps to quickly find where your budget falls. Each property in the search results shows a property title, location, district, property type, property size, property status, property code and the price of the property. Once you are interested in a particular property, you can click the share icon to share the property with your friends. You can click the phone icon to call the agent directly, or you can click the WhatsApp icon to chat directly with the agent. You can also click on the property picture to view more details about the property. Finding land in Uganda is as easy as that. So, download the Real Estate Database app right now and find cheap land in a location of your choice.